Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a very important quality in life, self-confidence. Self-confidence means trusting yourself and believing that you can do something. If you believe in yourself, half the battle is already won. Many times, people feel afraid to try because they think they will fail. But remember, failure is not the end. It is only a lesson that makes us better. Every successful person in the world first believed in their own ability. The first step is this. Stop comparing. Everyone is unique in their own way. When we compare ourselves with others, we are only looking at their strengths and our weaknesses. This makes us feel unhappy and lowers our self-confidence. Comparing your life with someone else's is unfair. We often see the best part of their lives, but forget our own achievements. Remember, nobody else has your experiences, skills, or dreams. Focus on your own path and do not let the success of others make you feel small. Instead of comparing, measure your progress by looking at how far you have come. Be proud of your efforts and work to become a better person every day. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and believe that you are special just as you are. So, always remember, you are unique. Do not waste your energy on comparisons, invest it in your own growth and happiness. Your story is your own, and that is your real power. The second step is this. Set small goals. I want to share an easy way to build self-confidence, and that is by setting small goals. Many people lose confidence because they try to achieve big things all at once. When they fail, they feel discouraged. But if we start with small goals, success becomes easier and our confidence grows step by step. For example, if you want to become good at reading, start by reading just a few pages every day. If you want to speak confidently, begin by talking in front of a small group of friends. Each time you achieve a small goal, you feel proud, and that pride adds to your confidence. Small goals are like building blocks. When you achieve one, you get the strength to achieve the next. Slowly, these small steps lead you to bigger success. So remember, confidence is not built in a single day. It grows every time we complete a small goal. Set a goal, achieve it, and watch your confidence rise like a ladder to success. The third step is this. Take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself means looking after your body and mind. When you eat good food, get enough sleep, and exercise, you feel stronger and happier. It is also important to take care of your feelings by resting and doing things that you enjoy. When you take care of yourself, you feel better and more ready to face challenges. This helps you build self-confidence. Self-confidence means believing that you can do things well and solve problems. When you trust yourself, you can try new things without fear. Remember, self-confidence grows when you take small steps every day. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. If something goes wrong, don't be afraid to try again and learn from mistakes. So, take good care of yourself every day, believe in your abilities, and your confidence will shine. You are important, and your well-being matters. The fourth step is this. Change your inner dialogue. The way you talk to yourself has a huge impact on your confidence. Challenge negative thoughts. When you hear a negative voice in your head, don't just accept it. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? Often, it's not. Use affirmations. Regularly repeat positive statements to yourself, such as, I am capable, or I can handle this. The more you say these things, the more your brain will start to believe them. Speak with authority. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use a clear, steady voice. Your body language influences your mind. When you project confidence, you begin to feel it. Remember, building confidence is a journey, not a destination. You are capable of amazing things. If you believe that, type I am capable in the comments below. Let's create a community of people who support each other's growth. And don't forget to like this video